Local 4 News starts now with a breaking news alert.
First at 4, breaking news on the legality of abortion in Michigan. A 1931 law that makes the procedure illegal in almost all cases has been ruled unconstitutional for the first time. Now, it's just part of the battle, but here's what we know right now. Today, a court of claims judge made her ruling in a case filed by Planned Parenthood and others. She found the law violates the equal protection clauses of the state constitution and would deprive women of their right to bodily integrity and autonomy. The judge has issued a permanent injunction that prevents the Attorney General from enforcing that law. She also ruled the AG must give copies of the order to every county prosecutor so they cannot enforce the law either. This ruling will likely be appealed and could end up in the hands of Michigan Supreme Court. The High Court is already considering an abortion rights proposal for the November ballot. Kimberly Gill has that part of the story for us.
Hi, Karen. Yes, hi. Good afternoon to you. Last week, the State Board of Canvassers rejected the ballot proposal that would add abortion rights to the state constitution. The group Reproductive Freedom for All appealed to Michigan's Supreme Court to reverse that decision. The court has until this Friday, September 9th, to decide if the measure will make the November ballot. That's a deadline for election officials to start formatting the ballots that need to be ready for absentee and early voting. Critics say there were spacing and spelling problems with the petitions, making them hard to understand. A few groups have filed briefs supporting the appeal, and today, Attorney General Dana Nessel added her voice to the debate. She blasted the State Board of Canvassers, arguing the state legislature never set specific standards for the kind of errors some board members said should keep it off the ballot.
Two of the board's members thought the word spacing was insufficient, and they effectively created and applied legislation of their own. And by aggrandizing itself, this unelected board has treated the Constitution of this state as an advisory document, and it's stripped the people of their right to amend the Constitution.
Okay, so right now we're waiting to see how the Supreme Court will rule on that ballot proposal. We've been told a decision will come late this week, possibly even by Friday. And as you pointed out, Karen, the court battles also continue as well. Right now, our Rod Maloney is gathering reaction to all of this and will join us live when you join us tonight on Local 4 News at 5. For now, Karen, we'll send it back to you.
All right, we appreciate it. Thank you, Kim.